It's important to know the value of what you purchase, so I'm going to show you how we go from this to this and show the difference between the standard press-on nail and my acrylic full set press-ons. What's up, everybody? It's Crescent with Crescent Colino Nails. I am coming on here today because I wanted to show you guys a first-hand demonstration of the difference between the full set acrylic nails that I ship out to my customers versus your standard press-on nails, because there is a difference between the two. Okay, so here, well, first, before I go any further, I definitely want to make this disclaimer that I am in no way bashing anybody for whatever method they use to make their press-ons. Whatever you do you. I'm here for it all day. But for me, I actually ship out my full acrylic set. So what my clients are getting is basically what I would do if I had a person sitting right in front of me. So I'm just prepping the nails here and getting them ready for application. So I'm shaping the tips and all of that good stuff. At this stage of the game, both methods are using the same steps right now. So I'm just trying to get them all prepped up, removing the shine so that the product can adhere. Okay, and so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and clean off all of that dust. Products I'm using for this is Angel Wing by the Gel Bottle, and a local nail supply place that's over by my house. Nail Supply Glamour is where I got the acrylic from. And so I tried to get colors that were, as close as possible to each other. Not that it really matters, but I just, wanted to show how two things that look the same may not actually be the same quality product, okay? And so I'm going to put this in there for 60 seconds and take it out and go in with my second coat. Put that in again for another 60 seconds. And then now it's time for the top coat. And now that's going to go in for another 60 seconds. So that took all of about maybe 5 minutes or so. And this is the result. They're all nice and dry. And so if they were going to be designed in any kind of way, then that would have been done before the top coat. And then, of course, once you finish designing it, then you put it back in the, you put the top coat on, and then you put the, you put it back in the camera. You put it back in the lamp for 60 seconds. So here I'm just showing you now my method of applying the acrylic to the tip. And what this does is it makes the nail stronger, in my opinion, because not only are you using acrylic, I'm also using that acrylic over a full cover nail. So when you apply these, you're going to have maximum strength in your acrylic set, which definitely helps with, the durability of the nails and how long they will last on your hands. So anyway, the acrylic is dry, and I'm just going ahead here and doing my normal smoothing processes, shaping and all of that good stuff. And I really take my time on shaping and filing the nail, and I do hand file each press on nail for every set. I hand file, because hand filing to me just looks so much better and cleaner than the e-file. But when I do nails on regular clients in person, I do use the e-file. It's quicker. So, but for these sets that I do, each one I do use the hand file. I just love the way it looks. And so just perfect the nail, and any little uneven surfaces, anywhere you need to smooth things out, just go ahead and do that. And you don't have to be in a rush, because you don't have anybody sitting right there in front of your face. So I like to take my time on each set, make sure that my clients are very happy when they open that box. And so these nails get the same exact treatment that I would give if the person was sitting right here in my face and getting these same nails done. I do not skimp on quality. Ooh, and excuse my nails. Oh, they look a mess. But look at that. I just love that roughed up look. And so now it's time for that top coat. I'm going to apply that and then place it in the lamp again for another 60 seconds. And so everything that I do to these acrylic sets that I ship out, I cannot stress enough, it would be the same exact thing that I would do if the person was sitting right in my face. So you're not losing anything by choosing to order on my website. You'll still get the same quality nails that you've always gotten from me. And so now it's time to compare the two. So far, so good. They both look the same. Both are pink. Both of them look nice. I don't know if you can tell, but my apex on the acrylic one is just a little bit bigger because, of course, it has acrylic on it. So that just enhances the look to me. But here's the difference. See that? I can bend it. I can, break it, I'm sure, if I tried hard enough. But you see that you can definitely bend these. And that's not to say that that is something that is going to happen if you choose to get these type of nails. All I'm saying is that this is what is done. You take a plastic tip and you're putting gel or a design on top of that, and that's it, and they're ready to go. But on my end, I'm not doing that. So the way that I do it is reinforcing the strength of the nail. So that's where your longevity is going to come from with the set. So when you place these on your fingers, they feel like you actually sat and got your nails done. Like I'm currently wearing a set right now myself, and it's been 19 days now, and there's no signs of lifting or anything. And if you can see here, I am really trying to bend this nail, trying to break it, trying to make it crack in some sort of way, and it's just not budging. So they are very, very strong and very durable. And so there you have it. That is the difference between the two. So definitely comment, like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I just definitely wanted to come on here and show you guys the difference between what I ship out versus what you may be getting from somewhere else. And again, that's not to bash anybody. That's just simply to show you guys the difference between mine and others.